Welcome back to iHeart Crypto. So, we got Bitcoin coming in at $23,800, and in fact, we did pump up to approximately about $24,000 today. All right. What else is going on here? Let's go to our KuCoin chart. All right. We have. Let's see what we got going on here. All right, we got this red line drawn in here. It's it's another line of resistance here that we just can't seem to get over. All right, but after the meeting, we did pump up quite a bit. What I'm expecting here is just another pump up and another kind of like another fake out. I don't know. There are some bullish signs here going on Market Cipher. All right. So we got money flow coming up, about to cross into the green. VWAP coming up. We got a green dot on the daily. Although your RSIs are really gapped here on the daily. That's not a good sign. All right. Right now, what do we have here? Currently, we did have some bearish div on the 1 hour, which seems to be playing out at the moment, where you had higher highs in your price action, lower highs in your RSI. So we did take a short on Ethereum. All right, and our take profit and our short is 1669. So let's check on that bad boy right here. It looks like we're coming down. All right, we're stalling here. We haven't made a lower low yet. So, we are holding the lows here. All right, we do want to see that break. All right, if that breaks, then we could be coming down. Although, let's check our Trader's Reality indicator. See any high volume that's going on the charts. So we do have some high volume candles here that they might want to come back up and take before we come back down. All right, that's a pretty good volume candle there. All right, but basically what you got here on ETH, at least, is you have your classic M pattern. Oh, there's a good 15-minute candle. All right, so boom, you have your hit up and then down. All right, so what we're looking for is, let's go here. Oh, I'm frozen. Let's redo that. Hold on one second, guys. Let's get this back up. And we are back. All right. Let's flip this on top. Alright, cool. Alright, looks like we are coming down to Goblin Town. Alright, so let's hopefully we hit this take profit. Right now, our short is up 31%. And if we do hit our take profit, we will have $157 in profit. So that is what we are hoping for here on Mr. Ethereum. Alright. Looks like we've made a new low, which is a really, really good sign. Alright, let's hope that continues down. Alright, and the reason I have my take profit here at 1669 is we have this high volume candle here that the market makers will probably come back down and take before moving higher if we do decide to move higher. Alright, and I will pay myself. I will not make the mistake of keeping this short open just to get, stopped out or whatever. I'm not into that. Not into that at all. Alright, we got 3 yellow X's on the 1 minute. We need that to bring us down. We don't want another yellow X pop up, because what that means is that it's likely to boom back up to the upside. So we really need a big drop here in order to get our order filled. Alright, but take a look at Bitcoin on the higher time frames here. Alright, you have your hourly stochastics just crossing to the downside. All right, so that's a good sign for the short. All right, you know, you have this huge vector candle here that they're going to want to probably come back down and take. I mean, look at right here on the 7 minute at least. Let's see. Down here at about, well, it looks like they did take it actually. If you look closely, you got some wicks here. So you did take that vector candle, but you did not take this blue vector candle. So it is likely we do see about $22,000 before anything really, you know, continues higher. So we are expecting a pullback. Yeah, definitely probably going to come back down and take that blue vector at some point here in the near future. That's what we're going to be looking for here. Alright, so let's get rid of this box because we did hit that target. We did come up a little bit higher like we thought. You know, if Bitcoin comes down that low, I don't know what Ethereum will do. Ethereum, there's your blue vector there. So it's likely, very likely, that they come back down and take that vector candle. So, I mean, it would be nice to get the short all the way to that point, except I'm just not confident that it's going to make it down that far. I'd rather pay myself here. You know, that's a nice profit. I mean, $157 is no joke. All right. And then we'd have to make it through all of this support here, you know, before coming back down and taking that vector there. Although, you know, taking a look at stuff on like the 4 hour here, I mean, that's a large vector candle here. So, I mean, maybe you come back down to your point of control over here at 1523. That would be most likely what's going to happen. But you look at, you have like a little cup and handle here forming on their 4 hour on ETH. So, you know, you don't want to, I'm not trying to mess around too much here. I'd rather just take the money and run. I'd rather just take the money and run. Yeah, let's see. Let's go back into that 7 minute and see where that blue vector is in terms of the cup and handle here. Because let's see how low we can go. Or let's go back to the 4 hour. See where the point of control is on this trading range, and mark it off. So it's actually not showing. Why isn't my red line showing up? I don't know. That's okay. But basically, oh, there it is. So let's just mark that here. Move it up just a little bit. And let's go back to the 7 minute and see where that line falls. See, it would make sense to come back down and take that blue vector. It would fully take that blue vector. And yeah, that's more than likely where you're going to have your pullback too. Although things do look quite bullish in general. So, you know, I'm not too confident, you know, on it getting all the way down there. So, you know what? I'm going to stick to my normal plan. I'm going to take profit where profit is deserved. All right? You know, you got 3 yellow X's popping up. You know, you're going to get... Yeah, we're looking like we're dumping. See, we're just coming back up, take that vector, and then possibly move back down. All right. Let's see. Yeah, that would be a big drop. I mean, from where it is now, I mean that's a 10% drop. That's a big drop. I mean, I would love to keep my short open, but I just don't feel. Maybe I'll just take the profit. Who knows? Who knows? That is a massive vector candle. You know, the question is did these people pay themselves? You know, that's the real question. I mean, and then you have this. You might just test these highs and then continue back up. I mean, things look like really, really bullish at the moment. So we'll see how it goes. But coming back over to Bitcoin. All right. You got your M formation on Bitcoin. Probably going to come back up a little bit, come back down. And your 15 EMA is sitting right here at about 23,276 at the moment. So it's likely that you do come back come back and tap that at least. All right, on your 1 hour, your 15 EMA, your 55 EMA is sitting at 22,500. That's a nice round number. On your 4 hour, you are sitting at about 22,200. So, we know they like to come back to these EMAs. It's likely that they will. I just don't know if I want to stay in the short that long, because the longer you stay in the short, the more likely it is that you're going to lose the trade, right? So, we do have a great entry. I started to enter up here. I started to enter right about here. Price came up. I added a little more to my trade, and then we finally got the breakdown. So let's just hope that this break continues. We did make a lower low, so that is a really, really, really good sign. And I just don't know if I'm willing to stay in the trade that long, to be honest with you. Anything can happen. If things are looking on the daily here, things are looking really, really bullish with money flow coming back up. But momentum is coming down. RSIs are gapped, so that is a good sign. I would hate to lose a trade. I would really, really hate to lose a winning trade. I really do think it's highly probable that we come back down to here. And yeah, that's the story. Morning Glory. I've been playing the Chipotle game here. I haven't won any crypto. Crypto Fear and Greed Index, we're sitting at a 32. And as far as big movers of the day, wow, Ethereum Classic up 32%. That's crazy. Uniswap up 19% on the day. That's also nuts. Uniswap has been going absolutely insane. So there's probably a good short on Uniswap going down at the moment. You probably could short this down to the 55 EMA if you wanted to. If you use 10x leverage, it's a nice 30%. It wouldn't be too shabby. Wouldn't be too shabby at all. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully this short goes well. We're gonna be patient with it. I think we're gonna take the money and run. We are gonna take the money and run. So, see, people long in these lows. I don't know. Let's go back to BTC, see what's going on the money flow here, and VWAP and all that other good stuff. So I just don't know. Things are looking quite bullish at the moment. Quite bullish at this exact moment. I think that a lot of shorts are probably opening up right now. You could just get boom right up to the upside. Let's see how it goes. We are sitting with $24 in profit. I just do think that bearish divergence on the 1 hour is going to play out a little bit more. Wait for your Stokes to come back down and see how it goes here. You might consolidate up here, and let's see how it goes. Let's just see how things play out. All right. What else is there before I get out of here? All right. So I don't know. BTC again. 18 hour. You got your money flow crossing up. That's a bullish sign. 12 hours, same thing, but VWAP is starting to kind of curl back down. RSIs are kind of topped out. All right. So we're just expecting a short-term pullback here. That's basically what we're expecting. All right, because we do have some bullish signs popping up on Market Cypher that I'm just not a fan of to stay in any kind of like long-term short. Things are moving. They had the FOMC meeting and it went well. We pumped up. We have GDP numbers come out. State we are in a recession, but I don't think that the markets really care at the moment. Let's check out the DXY, see what the DXY is doing. DXY not looking too hot on the 15-minute, so that can be moving you up quite a bit, yeah, DXY looking like it wants to come down. So again, not a good sign for the dollar. which is a good sign for Bitcoin. All right. You know, you got this long sign here, continuation up. I mean, let's see how things go. Let's see how things go. Looks like Ethereum is starting to pump back up a little bit here, but we are going to stay in this short because we do have faith of the vector candle. All right, I think that this is a huge move. I think we do need to pull back, and let's see how it goes. Hopefully, we do hit our target. You know, come back and just test these highs. I mean, normally that's what happens after rep up, but you know, you come back and you test the highs. That's basically what we're looking for on the short. Simple, easy short. There's a trend reversal sign. That's a good sign. On the 1 minute, come back up, come back up. Take this vector candle here. It was a vector candle, and we'll probably continue back down. All right, let's see how it goes. Hopefully, we win the trade, and we'll see what kind of trades we can get into after the pullback. See how things are looking, and just check. You know, we'll check back in. All right, that's it. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.